Did you know anyone can see the channel you are subscribed to if your subscriptions are public? If you want more privacy and don't want other to see who you subscribe to, here's a simple YouTube setting you should change. Whether you subscribe to educational channel, entertainment or personal interest, your subscriptions don't have to visible to everyone. In this video, I will show you how to hide your YouTube subscription in just few steps. First, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture. Open your YouTube channel, tap edit and go to your channel setting. Now look for the option called keep all my subscription private. Turn this option on. That's it. Your subscriptions list will now be hidden from other users. So they would not be able to see which channels you have subscribed to. Keeping your subscriptions private gives you more control over your personal privacy on YouTube. It prevents other users from viewing the channels you follow, which can be useful if you prefer to keep your interests private. It's a simple setting that helps you decide what information about your account is visible to others. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.